Today on Harry's Toy Box, we're going to be opening our first Play-Doh Minion surprise egg that my dad and I made. First we have to take off all the Play-Doh, and then we can see what's inside. There we go. Wow, look at all the surprises. And there's Kevin. I think it's time to open it up and see what we find. So here's a Despicable Me Mega Block surprise box. And here's the second one. We have a Despicable Me Minion surprise packet. And another one. I can't wait to see what's inside these. Here's a Despicable Me ukulele Minion action figure. And inside this smaller egg is Kevin. Let's get him out. Now that we've unpacked everything, let's clear away the Play-Doh and start unboxing. Let's open this one first. So first we have a Minion fireman, and he comes with this little stand. And now let's see what's inside this one. And in this one is a minion housekeeper. Now let's open our first surprise box. So we have a flyer as well as a minion toy to assemble. Let's build him. Now we can open the second one. Let's find our first minion on the flyer. There, that's him there. I wonder who else we got. Let's put him together and see. Oh, cool, we got an evil minion, and he even has a weapon. Oops, I just realised I didn't put the other one's uniform on properly. I have to fix his arms up. There we go, that's better. Now to open the last box. And here we have the Minion playing the ukulele. He looks like he's on a tropical island holiday. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time on Harry's Toy Box. Bye!